guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel, and today is the November Boxycharm unboxing. If you're unfamiliar with how I do my unboxings, what I like to do is look back at last month's box, tell you if I used the products, and if I did, how I liked them, tell you whether or not I would have paid 21 bucks for that box. Then we will dig into this month's box and I will slap the products on my face and we will go from there. Before we get into this video, if you like subscription box unboxings and if you like random makeup tutorials that I have no idea what I'm doing, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already and go ahead and smash that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Now, going over October's box is gonna be real easy. So the theme of last month was alter ego. I expected like smoky and sexy and things like that, and I feel like there was no real theme to the box, but still, I did not use 3 of the 5 items. Now, what I've decided I'm going to do from last month out is that if I see a product in the box that I know I'm not going to use past the first application on my face for a Boxycharm video, I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to put it aside to put it in a giveaway for you guys so someone can get use out of it. And it's not like I'm using it once and then passing it on. It's really going to be able to get some use. It's not saying that these products are necessarily bad products. It's just saying I know that I won't use them in my heart of hearts and I don't want to destroy it. So for last month, here are the 3 products I did not use at all. I'm going to put them right here so you guys can see a picture. The very first one was the Germovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This one I did not even put into a giveaway because a friend of mine used this mask and actual flesh peeled off of her face. Now I know that that was probably a rare instance. I'm sure that maybe people have loved this mask, but I personally don't feel comfortable putting this in a giveaway for you guys. I will put it in a bag of stuff that friends can pick through, and if anyone picks it up and looks at it, I'm gonna be like, wait. Just a disclaimer. I feel more comfortable doing that than, like I said, randomly giving away to one of you guys, so I did not use that at all, and I will not be using it. It retailed for 30 bucks too, which seems kind of high, but since I'm not using it, really doesn't matter how much it costs. The next item, which really looked beautiful, is the Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade Palette. Retails for $38. The colors in it really do look lovely, and Pure, the quality is sometimes great and sometimes not so great, but I didn't even try this because I know that the colors, again, are not something that I would personally pick up to use over and over again. I am a creature of habit. I love my warm tones. I love my oranges and my rich browns, things like that. This palette, while beautiful, just did not speak to me, but I know it's going to speak to one of you guys, so I did put it aside for a giveaway. And the third item that I received was a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. You guys probably know that Kat Von D liquid lipsticks are one of my favorite formulas, but this color, which was sort of a pinky, mauvey purple color, again, it's cool toned. It's not something I personally use. It does retail for $20, and I do think it's worth $20. Just not this specific color for me. So again, that went into a giveaway. Now let's talk about the other 2 things. The first one was the IT Superhero Mascara. This retails for $24, and this is something that I have personally purchased in the past for myself, I think 2 additional times. This is completely worth it to me. I really enjoy this mascara. It really separates and lengthens for me. It is not a thickening or a volumizing mascara. This is one for length, in my opinion. I really enjoy this, especially on days where I don't want my lashes to necessarily overwhelm my face. Is that even a thing? I feel like most people go for like big, huge lashes, and for me, I'm like, I just want to look pretty. Then the other thing is the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. This made the package worth it to me just all on its own. This was my first time using it, and it is beautiful. A very tiny bit goes a very long way, and it removes your makeup so gently and smoothly so you don't feel like you're rubbing yourself raw. I just really, really enjoy this product. I love this, and it retails for $22. I think it's worth every penny. So these 2 products alone retail for $46. So if you're asking me, would I have paid $21 for last month's box? The answer is absolutely yes. Just for these 2 products alone. I really enjoy these, so I actually was very happy with this, even though 3 out of the 5 products I didn't wind up using. I'm happy enough with these 2 that it makes me happy. I'm happy enough that it makes me happy. You guys, you know what I mean. I'm happy. I'm happy. Then next is the November box. So what I do every month is I have my husband look at the card that comes inside and tell me what kind of products are in there. So he'll say, you know, there's an eyeshadow palette, or there's, you know, a tool or things like that. And he'll be real generic, but it lets me know what I can come on camera with. Today, he told me, you can come on camera with eyebrows, but that's it, nothing else. that makes me nervous because if there's like a foundation in here, that's real particular. So we shall see. We shall see. First thing I always do is I go for the card in the box to see what this month's theme is. And we have, ooh, Gold Digger. Oh, I like the idea of that because gold to me says warm tones. Please don't let me down. Please be nice, warm tones. Be gold, be golden. Let's go into the first item. I have a box. It is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. So what's cool is I do not know about the brand yet, but in the little booklet, it says that these are 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. That's strange to me because silk is not a vegan thing. So I even just did some more research and everything is saying that silk cannot be vegan. It cannot even really be cruelty-free because it is taken from silkworms. So maybe they mean it's silk-like. No, it says made from premium silk fibers. So I'm actually pretty confused about this, but just because I am that confused, I don't want to use these just in case, but they are really lovely looking. They sort of remind me of the Ardell Demi Wispies. They've got some shorter pieces, some longer, and it looks like it's really for lengthening rather than thickening again. These look very lovely. The box, I have to admit, looks a little bit cheap. I mean, the box itself is really pretty. It's gold and shimmery, but these are just like stickers that were stuck on at the last minute and they're not centered, which I know. Does anybody else get weirded out by that when package is not centered because it kind of makes my skin crawl more than it should? Yes, I am also that person who corrects everyone's grammar. I'm sorry. These retail for $15, but these will be going in a giveaway. The next item is brushes. Oh, Luxie brushes. Luxie is one of my all-time favorite brush brands. I have two favorite brush brands. One is Luxie and the other one is Moda/Royal Brushes. They make fantastic synthetic brushes that are really affordable and beautiful. Oh my God, these are the prettiest brushes I've ever seen. The handle on these is gold glitter. How freaking pretty. Also, please excuse my nails. I know they look a little bit yellow. They're just really stained from me wearing dark nail polish at all times, and I'm kind of trying to let them breathe a little bit and be their natural selves. But anyway, this brush kit retails for $21 and it has 4 brushes. This is all for your eye. I don't know if I feel like it's worth $21 because I can really only see myself using 2 of these brushes, but they are beautiful. They're fantastic quality. Did I mention they're beautiful? Okay, the third item feels small. What is this? This is Janta Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Did you hear me get like, I can't even find any info on Janta Blue, whether or not they are a cruelty-free brand. I just looked myself. But here's the thing. Anytime I've gotten a Janta Blue eyeliner in my box, I have not been happy with it. I feel like their pencils tend to be very stiff and not forgiving, and they have scratched me on more than one occasion. This says it's a glittering star eyeliner and it's black. I don't know what would make it glittering. I don't even want to open it because I would just rather pass this on to a friend. And since I don't know whether or not it's cruelty-free, you know, cruelty-free stuff will be going in my giveaway. This kind of stuff will be going in my friend pile that they can choose from. I will not be using this. This retails for $5. Okay, that's 3 items so far. Let's see what item number 4 is. It feels palette-esque. This is Ace Beauty Grandiose Palette. So I do see the PETA cruelty-free bunny on the back. That doesn't necessarily mean a whole lot because you can purchase that certification, but this is very, whoop, lost the thingy. This is very pretty. These colors really are up my alley. We have some gorgeous shimmers. There are 4 shimmers in here. They go like that. And then we've got 4 mattes, and it really does look lovely. Let me see if this is cruelty-free, fingers crossed. So it looks like on their website, they say we are cruelty-free. And then there's a website called vegancrueltyfree.com that also says they are cruelty-free. So I'm curious. I'm gonna still try it, but I will have to be in touch with you guys to let you know if I find out more. I do not see them on any sites like Logical Harmony, Fira, Cruelty Free Kitty, Leaping Bunny, things like that. So use at your own risk. That retails for $24.99. We have one more product. Let's hope it's something decent. Okay, it's Cover FX. That's a good start. I love Cover FX and they are a cruelty-free brand, and these are glitter drops. These retail for $44. Oh my God, this is so pretty. You guys, these are pure molten gold. These are beautiful. Oh my God. So now I understand why my husband was a little bit weird about telling me don't wear foundation yet, because it says that these can be used mixed in with your foundation. So I think that's what he's thinking, and you know what? I'm gonna go with it. Let's try it, and then I'll try it on top as well. but we'll give it a shot. So now what I'm going to do is I will use the palette, the brushes, and the drops to apply a full face of makeup, and I will give you an update when it's all done, but I'm just gonna kind of speed through the tutorial so this video is not 18.5 hours long. Stay tuned.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me.
So let's talk. This could be user error. I will straight up say that, but the first thing I did was I mixed in the Cover FX glitter drops with my foundation. Big mistake, huge, enormous. It's hard to tell from far away, but let's see if you can see up close how much of a glitter bomb I have on my face right now. The texture of my skin looks terrible. It looks streaky, it looks patchy. There is glitter everywhere. I can't. Now you guys know I love the Cover FX custom enhancer drops, the golden one, the moonlight one. They look fantastic mixed in with foundation. I adore them. Here's the thing, I don't want to give up on this just yet. Maybe it's because it's a $44 product. Maybe it's because I love everything else I've ever tried from Cover FX, who knows? But I think that this would be beautiful mixed in with your moisturizer, maybe mixed in, not your facial moisturizer, body moisturizer. I want to test it over the next month to see how that works because on the face, it's a big no for me, at least mixed in with foundation. I did not try it on top again because the texture is already so bad that putting it on top would just be a demonstrative, that's not the word, monstrous, demon-like, demon-like. It would just be a demon-like process. Like all these powders that I put on top, my blush, my bronzer, things like that, nothing went on correctly. Everything looks patchy. It looks terrible. I only use 2 of my 4 Luxie brushes and I really do like them. This brush is going to be a standby for me. I can already tell. The pencil brush, I can't really tell if it's the pencil brush or if it's the shadow, but I do think it's the shadow. So let's go on to talking about the shadow palette next. How I feel about this palette, it's okay. It's definitely not a bad palette. You did have to work with some colors as opposed to others. Now, this shimmery shade went on lovely. I did apply it with a finger because it looks like the kind of shade you would apply with a finger, so I would recommend that. Patting it on gave it this gorgeous metallic finish. I will say though that this color on the end, Cinnamon, did get a bit patchy in the outer corners when I was packing it on. And the more I tried to blend it out, the patchier it got. So that doesn't really say much for that color. But the other 2 I tried, which are Patchouli and Clove, they did blend nicely. So maybe it's just that color. Maybe I didn't have a correct primer on. I do want to continue to use this palette, try it out, and let you guys know what I think next month. Was this package worth $21 for me? I feel like every time I sit here and I go, I don't know. I really don't know this time because this is the product I was most excited about and this is the product that looks like absolute horseshit on me. So we're gonna have to see next month. As of right now, blindly, would I have paid $21 for this? Definitely, because the name Cover FX alone draws me in and makes me want to use it. But we'll see what I think next month. It's really hard to tell. I can't be for sure yet. I will let you guys know. As always, you guys know I love hearing what you got in your Boxycharm, so please comment down below, especially if you got anything different from what I have here, or if you know a better way to use these so that it doesn't look like your face has been jizzed on by Tinkerbell. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. You are super rock stars. I love you guys so, so much. I genuinely do, and I will talk to you in the next video. Mwah! Bye!